Hello. Hi guys. What's up? What's up? What's up? We are back on a Wednesday live. Love the weather today. Only if you're sitting at home, I love the weather today. Only if you're sitting at home because outside it's too hot. Hi guys, what's up? Hi. Hello. Hi guys. Hi. How was your Wednesday? Tell me about it. Were you working? Were you working from home? Did you work too much? How is everybody? Crazy. Okay. Hi guys. How are you? This is Vidisha. I manage social media for Wet Jobs. All things social media: Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook. All cutesy things. Okay. So today we are here. We are here yet again for a very fun live. And hi. Okay. So I'm gonna just quickly say hi first. I'm so sorry. Hi Ankush. Hi. Rohan says he's on site in Udaipur. Good luck, my friend. Good luck. Hi, everybody. Hello. Okay, so today we are here for a very fun chat, fun live. It's actually a very big announcement. Remember, last week we collaborated with NIEM. We also had two of their freelancers join us on a Friday, and we chatted with them. They were the NIEM alumni, and today we are very excited to announce our collaboration with Touchwood Wedding School, one of the biggest one of the biggest schools for event management for weddings in the business in the market. And I am so glad and so honored to actually do this for Wet Jobs. So we have Sakshi. She is a senior faculty member, and she is a program coordinator for Touchwood Wedding School. We're going to talk about her journey. We're going to talk about how this collaboration is going to help so many students out there who are seeking jobs in the wedding industry, and how Wet Jobs is here to make their lives easier. So so without wasting any more time, I'm going to quickly add Touchwood here. Okay, Sakshi. Hi.
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
All good, all set to see you and chit with you.
I am very stoked to chat with you too. How was your Wednesday? Let's start with that.
I think that's something that we should ask the people who attended. Still, if you want to just sum it up, because the kind of feedbacks that we got and the kind of moments that we shared with the students,
Yeah.
wow. Uh, we had eventually coming from those virtual classes to the actual event was actually like, wow, finally we get to see them. Finally we see that feeling of touch and probably hugs and the
I know.
this is very precious now, very precious. So yeah,
I
it
am
was,
so glad. So yesterday, Touchwood School had their convocation ceremony uh, in Delhi, right?
yes. So we had in Redison, Gurugram.
Yes. So she was giving me details about what happened and how much fun it was to see so many people live together in front of your eyes. And I know, dude. I know. Okay, Sakshi, tell us something about yourself first.
Absolutely.
Tell me your journey till becoming the program coordinator and the senior faculty member at Touchwood Wedding School. Tell me.
Okay, so it's actually sounding like an interview round first.
No.
Hope you're giving me good salary after this. So, honestly, talking about my journey, it has been genuinely like a roller coaster ride, not just saying, but yes. When I started, I wanted to become basically a journalist who covers all terrorist crime scenes. I just wanted to be that, and in my mind, it was like कि जो news journalist होते हैं ना वो सिर्फ यही करते हैं, मतलब वो जेल में जाते हैं, and that's how my imagination was after 12th. But when eventually, yeah, but
I'm trying to wrap my mind around it, and I'm like, yeah.
yeah,
Marisha ma'am is here. Hi, ma'am. She says, lovely, ambitious ladies' life. That's so sweet. Yes.
I'm more than happy to be with Wedge Job. So much, Marisha, for giving us a chance. So honestly, coming back to what we were talking, I wanted to become a journalist, and then what I eventually realized, okay, that's not my cup of tea. After working for almost 8.5 months with a big news channel, and then
Uh-huh.
because I was doing my master's in journalism and mass communication, so I got a chance to organize my college fest,
Okay.
where I found my interest in events. And from there, doing corporate events for good 4.5 years, then doing weddings, then serving an institute for almost 3.5 years. Yes, I am here representing Touchwood Wedding School. Very proud feeling to be a part of such big organization and doing such good for the young Gen Z, because honestly we didn't had these schools, these kind of
Yeah.
platforms, and so yeah, that's what it is all about.
It's so good to see somebody talk so passionately about their journey, and it just feels like the proudness like just coming out, oozing out of my body. It's so good to see you do so well, and I just feel like we have known each other for so long, and I'm just talking to you. Okay, moving on to the next question. Tell us about your students. I mean, what all cities do you have students joining your course? I mean, is it only limited to Delhi? But I think now because of the pandemic and the online classes, tell me about your students and where they're from.
So actually, to be honest, this lockdown is actually like a cherry on the cake for us. It was a cherry.
Yeah. Okay.
We started in pandemic, and by God's grace, touch wood again, we are doing amazing uh,
Wow.
in lockdown, and that's how we are growing. Uh, Honestly, my students are from, we never imagined that we're going to touch those parts of India wherein events is just all about कि tent लगाना है और चार
Hmm.
बुलाना है. That's what event is all about. So we have students from Mizoram, we have students from Kashipur, uh, huge bulk from Rajasthan, like so that too small, I would say towns, small sections of Rajasthan. We have a lot of students. Delhi NCR is a huge belt for obvious reasons, but yes, we
Mm-hmm.
have a major chunk from Bombay. Then we have students from UP. For them, when we get these calls, counseling calls, so we understand that for them, even management just to explain to their family is a big task. But yes, these guys are so passionate, so creative that they eventually see themselves running a show. They want to sit on the console, do the light and sound, and that's what they dream of day and night. So honestly, just to talk about that from which part of the cities or we have a students, it's I mean every day.
So we can very nicely put this in. I mean, I can just very nicely say that COVID was a blessing in disguise
Absolutely.
for for your school. I agree. I agree. And actually, you actually put that point up very well. These students from two-tier cities are very scared to even talk to their parents about joining a event management or a wedding school. Imagine if you want to tell your parents that I want to work here like full time. I see myself working here full time, and I know because we do not even have like a system in place like for other jobs, how we have these other job portals, and it's a routine that the families understand. So
Absolutely.
like apply for a job, put in your resume, and then do the interviews. Yeah, and now with I think now with web jobs, this is going to be like a process. This there's going to be a system in place for the event for the wedding industry as well. How what do you have to say about it?
So what I feel is that just to convince their parents is secondary, just to convince themselves, because they always have those doubts that will I be able to get those kind of jobs in the market? Will I be able to get
Yeah.
opportunities in the market is a big question. And I completely understand and respect those questions, because for a parent, right, when we think from a parent's perspective, they look for jobs which are more secure, which is a work in a definite time, and probably good incentives. All we have to understand and basically spread that information in the market is that now event industry is not just on, because eventually if you just Google about event industry, the first four lines says it's the most unorganized industry. That's what they say. And honestly, things have changed. We
Yeah.
tools, we have platforms like WebJobs who are doing their best to make it like a one-stop solution for all the young generations, the students who really want to pursue their career in weddings and events. Honestly, this kind of platform was the need of the hour,
It
and
was.
yeah, if somebody has taken that initiative, coming up with such a platform, which is like that your job or probably a project is just a click away, that's what is required in this industry. Tomorrow, if I know that okay, I'm done with my course, or probably there's nothing for the next 3 months, there is a platform like Wet Jobs who's ready to give me my next 3 projects, and
Correct.
that is a blessing eventually.
Yes. Thank you so much for your kind words. Thank you. And you know, Sakshi, not only for like project basis or if you're looking for only full-time jobs, but I also feel like the students that have just graduated from like
Yeah.
an event industry or from a wedding school, they also have opportunities for internships. And I think internships is such a, I mean, it's a, I don't know how do I put it in words, but I think it's a very important first step to your career in the wedding industry. Correct.
And
And yeah,
not just an internship, it's absolutely a guided internship. I always say that don't just rush for jobs or don't just rush for projects or internships. Look for an organization who can eventually guide you the right way. It's not the stipend, it's not the amount that they're giving you, it's the experience that they can eventually give you, and that will help you for your entire life. A call in between. Yeah.
no problem. Yeah. You are. Speak something again.
Am I audible?
Yeah, now you are. Tell me.
So I'm saying it's the experience that you will take from these institutes. So eventually you should respect and look for the right kind of opportunities that there in the market.
Correct, correct. Very, very well said. Vyomika says she totally agreed with you.
Yeah.
Okay, moving on. WebJobs has now collaborated with Touchwood Wedding School, and we are offering students special discounts on the packages that we have on webjobs.in. You know, and this is going to really benefit the students as well. So, tell me, a wedding school, a pure school that only teaches everything under the sky that is to deal with weddings, and now a dedicated job portal. So now it's a amalgamation of the both,
Both.
and it's I think it's going to like bring in a lot of. I mean, the students are going to benefit a lot from this industry, and. Like you said, it's not only about internships. We also offer like freelancing jobs. We also offer like full-time part-time jobs, so it's like if you want to like test waters, right, in the wedding industry in the wedding industry, I think it's your go-to. And internship, you know, I also have to like add in this point, when we were talking about internships, I also did quite a few internships, and it took me almost 2-3 internships to realize where my interest lies, so what I actually like. So it's not like somebody's just put me into say client servicing and I'm asked to do client servicing for the rest of my life. It's not like so. I have so many different job roles which people do not even know about. So on our website we also have like listed down all the job roles, starting from client servicing to social media managing, and we have like a ocean for people to choose from.
Yeah. So that's eventually is your company or probably the team that you have understood this industry so well that they have put everything on one platform. And honestly, when you said that the Touchwood Wedding School has collaborated with WebJobs, it's actually something which was again a need of the hour. The reason that I'm saying is that we are an institute which makes sure that, okay, from how do you tap onto a client to how do you make proposal to production, sound, light, artist management, we are teaching you everything. But boss, you can't be God or you can't be a Superman. You can do everything. Everybody has a certain, I would say, interest into a specific department or a specific category of work. So understand that. And for that reasons, you should go for projects, you should go for internships. And even if you want to do a smaller internship, or probably you want to do a smaller projects where jobs is there, then they're not asking you to go for a full-time job at once. Pick up a part-time job, pick up a project, get yourself a 2 months internship and understand. Artist management is my thing? No. Production is my thing? No. Okay, client servicing is something that excites me. So eventually, if you calculate, you're just spending around 4 to 5 months and you know what you want to do for the next 50 years. So you're sorted in 5 months. And when we started this thing, when we wanted to work in event management, honestly, we didn't had anything. We were just confused even after 5 years of giving to a single organization. So things have become very easy now.
Yeah. So that things have become very easy, but people also have to take up the opportunities that have, I mean,
So,
are given to them. And I think that's going, the collaboration is going to come in very much handy, and it's a lot of new people, a lot of new graduates are going to understand, and I think it's going to be super fun. I'm very
super,
excited.
super fun.
Okay, one more question, Sakshi. Now, because of the pandemic, we were talking about the pandemic. So we have these new job roles that have come in place. For example, social media manager. Everything to do with social media. So many events. We see so many wedding schools. Ka bhi classes we take on Zoom only. So,
Yeah.
what do you have to say about this change and how the industry has adapted to it?
So virtual is something that we have accepted with open arms, or I should say, we had to accept it. We had no other. We were so much into COVID, and but God has been kind. We are back with a bang. Events are happening with full flow. But yes, talking about the new roles, I always say that change is constant. It's
Totally.
and if somebody is ready to accept that change, nothing like that. And if you want to grow in your career, just accept whatever you have. You were doing events of 500 people, superb. Now you have a bandwidth of 50 people, accept it and do it. Rather than just sitting at home, do it. Things like social media manager or probably the new roles that we see in the market. It's superb to see that kind of, I would say, newness in the market. But I always say that whenever you go for any kind of project or probably any kind of job role, understand the job role. Don't just do it. Just putting stories on Instagram is not the role of social media manager. There's a lot more which comes into account. There's a proper campaign that you need to run, and there are a lot of things which comes into account. I'm happy that we have job roles, but the importance of the knowledge that it requires, or probably the importance of a platform which you do, even if you do an online course of, let's say, 1 week, or take a training of, let's say, 2 weeks about social media, do that, and then probably jump into that role rather than just trying it out and probably wasting your time also and wasting the other individual's time. That is what is my take.
No, I completely agree to that. Social media is
Yeah.
not just posting stories and
Of
posting
course, of
posts.
course.
There's too
Yeah,
much. There's a lot more to it, and there's a lot more that people don't see also. And I
yeah.
think the industry has been very accepting to these new job roles, and a lot of people also. There are so many of my friends who want to know what social media is. They are very interested in knowing. Curious in knowing what am I doing, what am I exactly doing. So I think that's a great win for the industry. Yeah. Do you have anything else to share with us? Something about, say, a very happy memory from your Touchwood wedding school ka days, like one of your days.
Oh, So honestly, this starting this school in the pandemic and doing what we are doing is eventually a journey. It's a
Yeah.
transformational journey, not for us, not for only the students, but for us also. I'm learning each day. My team is learning each day. Getting somebody on board, or probably having students from across the globe, we just feel that it's we eventually feel like a parent. Like yesterday, my students getting graduated, like they were taking certificates. I almost had tears in my eyes. I was like, my students are going, and it is so much pride. I can't tell you that feeling of when somebody comes to you and say thank you for making my career. Probably those 2-3 words of appreciation is like wow. Like, am I even? Do I deserve this? Is the kind
This
of
is this is why I do what I do.
so it's eventually like, do I like am I even if it's I'm saying I'm lack of words to explain the kind of feeling that I had yesterday. So my happiest memory, yes, is it's one from the yesterday itself, that when I saw my students wearing those graduation gowns and certificates, coming and touching my feet, and I was like,
Oh,
I'm almost your age. Please don't do that. So you eventually feel you have a lot of pride in your heart that okay, these going to like these are this is the future of weddings and events industry, and this their future is something. I mean, we have taught them, and they're going to run this industry. So that's what I always say that. And we were discussing. I was just discussing with Miss Sweetie yesterday
yeah.
that you guys eventually have made our life and our students' life very, very easy. You eventually have just given, see, everything is on one click. We always say that okay, I want this, we can order this online. There's Zomato, there's Grofer, there's this, there's that. But Baba, half they are 90% consultants, and the 90% companies, whenever you upload their CVs or whenever you send them the CVs, they say that we don't do the hiring for weddings, we don't do the hiring for events, because this industry is actually, you will not find many portals
True.
where people are hiring for weddings or people are hiring for events. But I was just telling Miss Sweetie that thanks to you, thanks to Marisha ma'am for eventually coming up with such an idea wherein it's easy for our students, it's easy for our colleagues to find good opportunities in the market, and it's eventually easy for a recruiter also who's
Correct.
looking forward for such talented people who has a talent but don't know how to figure out the opportunities. So yeah,
It's like a filtered job portal.
absolutely. Filtered students, filtered talent to a filtered. So, like, wow, coffee with the cookie. That's the kind of.
Wow. Thank you, Sakshi. You're very sweet. Can I just add it again? You're very sweet with your words. Thank you so much for such appreciation
my
and such kind words.
my
Thank you
pleasure.
so much for joining us. I am so looking forward. And actually, team at VegJobs, even today I was talking to Marisha ma'am, and we were genuinely excited for this live, and we were genuinely excited for the collaboration. And even in the coming days, we are looking forward to having two of your students join in
Yes,
as on a Friday, and
yes.
I'm going to again be excited for that live. Thank you so much for yeah.
I am saying that I was too excited that I passed on that excitement to my students that okay, I'm going live today and you have to go on Friday. So I was just telling them that guys, I'm just making your life more easy. I'm just asking you to collaborate with VegJobs. Your life is
just
sorted.
just create an account on VegJobs. It's free. Just post your resume, apply to. We have over 90 100 jobs listed right now over a period of 1 month. Yeah, one month and 2 days. So I think that's beautiful that so many recruiters and so many job seekers are actually interested, and they're looking at this. They're looking at this in a something that they can gain something from this, as a portal that they can gain.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Because honestly, because this was required. It's
It
not
is.
just that they're interested, it was the need. And you guys have eventually fulfilled that need. So yeah, a big, thumbs up to your entire team and all the very best. You guys did an amazing launch. We have seen so many reels. Mr. Vijay Arora, our director, was the part of that launch, and he was just telling us the stories that how smooth and how fine that event was. And we just said that was expected. We knew that comes from the team of Swaha, that comes from in their blood, and it's absolutely we understand that. So thank you
That
so
event was a breath of fresh air sitting at home for so long and then having met
much.
so many people
I
in
saw people
person.
enjoying their drinks and probably so happy to do that champagne release. I
Yes.
mean, we could feel that. We could feel that.
You could feel that through the lives and all the stories that we uploaded.
Absolutely right.
I
Absolutely
mean,
right.
I remember I bombarded my Veg Jobs account on that day and the day after that also.
Yeah, yeah. Role of a social media manager.
Guilty. Okay, Sakshi, thank you so much for joining in. Thank you.
Thank
It was wonderful chatting with you, and thank you to everybody who's watching us live. We had a wonderful, wonderful time, and I am so looking forward again to this collaboration with Touchwood Wedding School. I will. I'm hoping to meet you. I mean, flying to Delhi and meeting you super soon.
you. Sure. Otherwise, pray that I fly to Bombay and I meet you.
Yeah,
We need to
that'll
figure
be a quicker option.
out. And I'm again, I'm very proud that we have associated with Wet Jobs, and I am really looking forward to the next live session wherein we have some success stories to share with you guys. Thank you so much for having me here, guys. Take
Thank
care
you.
of your.
Thank you, Sakshi. Bye.
Thank you. Take. Bye. Thanks.
Okay, guys, that is it for today's live. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I really hope you guys. There was so much to learn from Sakshi. I mean, even right now, when I'm thinking about the chat that we had, she said a lot of things. I hope you guys were taking notes, but it was so much fun and so insightful to learn so much from her. Thank you, Sakshi. And we're so looking forward to our collab, and we're so looking forward to the bright days ahead. That's it. I hope you have, if you're looking for a job in the event industry or the wedding industry, I hope you have made a profile on webjobs.in, and I hope you have started applying for jobs. Okay. I am going to see you on Friday or the next Wednesday. Thank you so much again. Have a very, very, very wonderful evening ahead and a wonderful week ahead. Okay. Bye, guys.